Hey guys, this is a fix for the Dyson V7, the old V7. So they came out with a newer V7, and this is the old V7. Let's see. I don't know how you tell them apart, but one main difference is the roller on the old one. They don't support anymore. Dyson doesn't make the spare parts for it anymore. They don't support it at all because they want you to buy the new one. So it's kind of a piss off because you spend all this money on this thing thinking you're getting quality, but Dyson doesn't back it up. So my dilemma: the roller, the strip, the black rubber strip looked like this. All the little brushes on it are worn right off, so it's not picking up the things anymore. So, easy solution, just buy a new roller. No, Dyson doesn't make them, and there's no aftermarket Chinese company that is making this specific one that has nothing in here, has this on the end, and has a three-prong. You see that three-prong motor attachment? So nobody if someone wants to make some money, they could make one of these that fits that, but nobody makes it. I looked everywhere. So the next solution is you can order these strips for like a V8 or a V10 or something like that. They're not quite the same as the rubber ones, and also the strip on this part, this bottom part, is way wider than the rubber strip. So, and I found that out the hard way. As you can see, this is the thickness of that's the thickness of the original one, and then this one. So actually, what I did was I just cut off the white part of both sides of this thing with an X-Acto knife. So you got to be a little bit into arts and crafts a bit to be able to get this to work. So just cut that right all the way along the white, take the whole white part off. That's the first thing you got to do. Second of all, they make these so that you cannot do that. They do not want you to do that. They wanted you to buy new ones even though they don't make them. So the fix for that: use your X-Acto knife and cut a little slot, right, a little chunk out of the piece right here. And the reason for that is so that, like, it used to look like this, right? But you can't get it out. You can't slide it out. So what you do is you cut it like a little slot like that right on the where it goes here. I cut it out enough that you can slide out this piece, the original one that's all worn out.
Diamond teeth. You should do wavy fries.
Then you take your piece that you cut the white part off, and it's a little difficult, but you can pull it. If you cut it nice, you can pull it through here carefully. Keep pushing it. You can use like a little screwdriver to help you push it. Just do it slowly and just take your time pushing it. It wasn't that hard, and you get it in all the way in. Now you got new brushes. They're just not like the rubber ones, but they actually work pretty good. I'll attach a video of me using it. works pretty good. And it's like having a new roller. And there she goes. There she is. I'll try it out here. New vacuum cleaner. That's what I'm talking about.